Good afternoon. Today is April 14, 2024 Sunday, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3's 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, April 14, 2024. Here are the SL Shore 3's 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for April 14, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of April 14, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.